Welcome to the session 3 of Word Power Made Easy. We are going to discuss about the 10 type of personalities. Now we will discuss in detail and come out with a new vocabulary based on the root word of the 10 different words. So we discuss about the 10 different types of personality. Out of these 10 different types of personality, there are 3 types of personality which is known as introvert, extrovert and ambivert. Now, in all these names VERT, VERT and VERT. So VERT is common. So VERT means to turn. Turn means introvert means turning inside. Outrovert means turning outside or yes, turning outside. And ambivert, MB means both. So inside as well as outside. So vert means turn. Intro means inner. So introverts means a person whose thinking and attitude is inner oriented. So he is known as introvert. Extro means outer and vert means turn. Means people whose thinking and attitude is outer oriented. Then we can say extrovert. MB means both directions, inward and outward both, and someone thoughts are inner and outer oriented, then we can say it is ambivert. Ambidextrous means a person who is able to use both hands with equal skill. So ambidextrous, MB means both, MB means both. And dexterous, DEXTEROUS, dexterous means skillful, means someone who is both the hands equally dexterously, means equal strength. And dexterity means a skill. So dexter is a Latin word and it means using right hand. So dexter means using right hand, and right hand is equated with some skill, because in the olden days people believe right hand is for the skillful work and left hand is for nothing. So people believe those who use the right hand, they are skillful. Ambidextrous means person who are using both the hands to do some work, right hand as well as left hand. In Three Idiot movie, Virus, the professor Virus is writing on the blackboard with two hands, right hand and the left hand, with equal ability. So we can say that person is a ambidextrous. In Latin words, left hand is considered inauspicious. It means that the left hand means something dangerous, something sinister, something evil, something threatening. In French language, left hand means gosse. We might have heard in an English language, the person say, oh my gosse. My gosse means something which is untidy and clumsiness or in disorder or in awkward shape. So we use the word gosse remarks. Gossery means awkward, clumsy or tactless. A gosse person is totally without any finesses. In French language, right hand means droit. So in French, right hand means droit. In French, but in Latin, it is called dexterous. So that is the right hand in Latin. So adroit means skillful, dexterous. I think in my town there is a tailor. The name of the tailor is Adroit Tailor. Adroit means someone who is skillful. Adroitness means skillfulness, and opposite of the adroitness is gossery. Adroitness is something skillful, something tactful, and gossery means something untidy, something awkward, something tactless. So understood the adroit and gossery. Now we are going towards the second, that is love, hate and marriage. Misanthrope, misogynist and misogynist comes from the Greek word. So misein means to hate and trope means mankind. So misanthrope, mis means something hate and trope means mankind. So hating mankind, then you can say misanthrope means hating mankind. Gyne means women and misogynist. Miso we already know, miso means hate and gyne means women. So someone who is hating the women is known as misogynist. And gamos means marriage and misogamist, someone who hates marriage. Next, anthropos means mankind, and from anthropos there is another word which is known as anthropology, means the study of the development of human race, anthropology. Similarly, philanthropist means one who loves mankind and shows such love by making substantial financial contribution to charitable organization or donating time and energy to helping those in need, then that person is known as philanthropist. The root of gyne means woman. So gynecologist means a medical specialist who treat female disorder. So that doctor is known as gynecologist. The root gamos means marriage. Now there is a monogamy, bigamy and polygamy, and we know gamy means marriage, monos means one, bi means two, poly means more than two, or you can say many. So monogamy, mono means one, gamy means marriage, so custom of only one marriage, then you can say monogamy. Bi means two and gamy means marriage, means two marriage, so we can say bigamy. Then poly means many and gamy means marriage, means many marriage, so polygamy is a many marriage. Now polygyny, genie here gyne or genie is known as woman, so polygyny means many women. And Andry means male and polyandry means many males. Now making friends with suffixes. Suffixes means some word which are coming after some word. So English words have various forms using certain suffix for noun referring to a person. So here person means noun. Other suffixes for practice, attitude and philosophy. Practice, attitude and philosophy, you have to add y and then it becomes practice, attitude or philosophy. And for adjective you have to add ic or ous in the word and then it becomes an adjective. So remember, for noun you have to have t. For practice, attitude and philosophy you need to have y, and for adjective you need to have ic or ous. For example, misanthropist. So T is there, misanthropist. Misanthropy means it's a practice and misanthropic is an adjective. So misanthropist means a person who is hating the male. Misogynist, miso means to hate and gynist means women. So if somebody is hating the women, it is known as misogynist. Misogyny means a practicing of hating the women, then it is known as misogyny. And Genius, misogynous means it is an adjective. Gynecologist means a doctor for women, and gynecology means it is a practice or an attitude or a philosophy, and gynecological. Misogamist, miso means hate and gam means marriage. So if somebody is hating the marriage, is known as misogamist. Look, T is coming. So misogamist is a noun, and misogamy means practicing to hate the marriages, then it is known as misogamy, and adjective is misogynous. Bigamist means someone who is married twice, so he is known as a bigamist. Bigamy means marriage two times. If this is a practice, then it is known as bigamy. And bigamous means it is an adjective. Polygamist means many marriages. Poly means many and gamis means marriage. So someone who is doing many marriages is known as a polygamist. Polygamy means a practice of marrying more than 3 or 4 marriages. And polygamous. Polygynist means more female. Gynist, Gynist means women. Polygyny means a practice of many women, and polygynous is an adjective. Polyandrist, poly means many and andrist means male. So many males is known as polyandrist. Polyandry means it is a practice, and polyandrios means adjective. Philanthropist, someone who is giving the money or a work for the welfare of the people is known as philanthropist. And philanthropy means it is a philosophy, and philanthropic is an adjective. Anthropologist means someone who is studying the mankind is known as a anthropologist. And anthropology means it is a practice of studying the mankind, and anthropological is an adjective. Now ascetic is a Greek word. Ascetus means monk or a hermit, or we can say saint or sage. So ascetic. And asceticism, it is an adjective of ascetic. Now this is a prefix, root, suffix, and here is the meaning, and you have to give an example. So ego means self or something which is related to I. So we can make a word egoist. Alter means other, so alternative. Intro, that means inside, so we can make a word introvert. Extro, we can make a word extrovert, something outside. Vetro means turn, so you can say ambivert. MB means both, so ambidextrous means someone who is using both the hands. Mission means hate, so you can say misogamy, someone who is hating marriage. Anthropos means mankind, so we can make a word anthropology, study of a mankind. Gyne means women, so you can say gynecologist. Gamos means marriage. Misogamy or bigamy or polygamy. Ecstectors means monk. Ecstatic. Centrum, egocentric. Mania, egomania. Dexter means right hand, so you can say dexterous means skillful. Sinister means left hand, or you can say sinister, or Gauche, gauche means left hand means sinister. Droit means right hand, so you can say adroit. Monos means one, so you can say monogamy. Two, so you can say bigamy. Polys means many, so you can say polygamy. Andros means male. So you can say misanthropist. Then you have to use the ist and make a noun. So misogamist. By adding y, you are going to make a practice or a custom. So misogamy is a custom. Adjective, misogamious is an adjective. And ity, misogynist. Using the words, speak these words. So ambidextrous. So ambidextrous, ambidexterity, dexterous, dexterity, sinister, gauche, gaucheri, gaucherie, adroit, adroitness, anthropology, anthropologist. You have to speak along with me. Anthropological, anthropist, philanthropy, philanthropic, gynecologist, gynecology, gynecological, monogamist, monogamy, monogamous. Similarly, bigamist. Bigamist means a person who is marrying twice. Bigamy, practicing of marrying twice. Bigamous. Polygamist, many marriages. Polygamous, practicing of many marriages. Polygynist. Polygynist means many women. Polygyny, practicing of many women. Polygynous, it is an adjective. Polyandrist means many male. Polyandry, practicing of many male. Polyandrous. Misanthropist, one who hate the mankind. Misanthropy, a practicing of hating the mankind. Misanthropic. Misogyny. Misogyny means someone who is hating the woman. Misogynous, a practicing of hating the woman. Misogynous. Misogynist, one who is hating the woman. Misogamy, one who is hating the marriage. Misogamous, a practicing of hating the marriage. Asceticism, asceticism means practicing the welfare. Can you work with the words? Check your comprehension, see how successfully you can match the words and meaning. Ambidextrous. Ambidextrous means someone who is using both the hands with equal skill. Dexterous. Dexterous means somebody who is skillful. Sinister. Sinister means something is evil. Gauche. Gauche means awkward. And misanthropic means hating the mankind. Can you work with the words? Anthropology. Anthropology means it's a study of the human development. So 1. Gynecology. Gynecology means study of the female ailment. Ailment means disease. Monogamy. Monogamy means a system of one marriage. Bigamy. Bigamy. Bigamy means illegal plurality of the marriage. And misogamy. Misogyny means someone who is hating the woman. Next, polygamy. Poly means many and gamy means marriage. So many marriages. So custom on which one man has many wives. So it is known as polygamy. Misogamy. Someone who is hating the marriage. So hatred of marriage. Ascetic. Devotions of lonely and austere life. Philanthropy. Philanthropy means love of mankind. And adroitness means skillful or cleverness. Next, polygynist. Poly means many and gynist means women. So it is related to many women. So poly means many and gynist means women. So female with polarity of husband. Polyandrist. Polyandrist means men with polarity of wives. Anthropologist, student of the development of mankind. Gynecologist, gynecologist means women doctor. And philanthropist, one who is engaging in a charitable work. Next, do you understand the words? Can ambidextrous people use either left or right hand equally well? Yes. Ambi means two and dexterous means skillful. Should a surgeon be manually dexterous? Yes, because he is very skillful. Surgeon is very skillful. So yes. Is a sinister looking person frightening? Yes. A grocery is social assets? No. And is an adroit speaker likely to be successful as a lawyer? Yes. Is student of anthropology interested in the primitive tribes? Yes, because it is a study of mankind. Does gynecologist has more male than female patient? No. Is monogamy the custom of Western country? Because in Western country a person is allowed to have only one wife. So yes. Is a misogamist likely to show tendencies towards polygamy? Misogamist means somebody who is hating the marriage. So no. Is bigamist breaking the law? Yes. Yes. Is philanthropist generally altruistic? Yes. Does a misanthropist enjoy the human relationship? Yes, because it is a study of the human. Does a misogynist, miso means hate and gynist means women. Does a misogynist enjoy? No. He is hating the woman. Are bachelor necessarily misogynous? Bachelor means a person who has not married. So yes. If asceticism compatible with the luxurious living and pursuit of asceticism means someone who is hating the material life and he believes in simple living. So no. Are unmarried people necessarily misogamous? Unmarried people, yes. Does a polyandrist have more than one husband? Yes. Can you recall the words philosophy of living, austerity, ascetic, hatred of women? Hatred means miso and misogynic. Hatred of marriage, misogamy. Hatred of mankind, misanthrope. Skillful, adroit. Awkward, gaucherie, gauche, G-A-U-C-H-E, gauche. Evil or threatening, sinister. Describing the hatred of women, but adjective. So, miso, G-Y-N-I-O-U-S, misogynous. Pertaining to the hatred of marriages. So, misogamious. Pertaining to the hatred of mankind, misanthropist. Misanthropious. Social custom of plural marriage. Plural marriage means polygamy. Unlawful state of having more than one spouse means it is also called polygamy. Doctor specializes in female disorder. So gynecologist. Custom of one marriage at a time. So it is known as monogamy. One who hates the human race. So misanthropist. Able to use both the hands with equal skill. MB means both. Dexterous, D-E-X-T-E-R-I-O-U-S, means a person who can use both the hands. Study of mankind, it is known as anthropology. One who loves mankind, it is known as philanthropist. Skill in use of both the hands, that means MB, dexterous. Okay. Now here you will be given a choice, option A, B and C, and you have to pick up the correct choice. Put selfish desire first, then that person is known as egoist. Egotist means talking about himself. Altruist means somebody who is living a simple life. If self-analytical is an introvert person because he is thinking inside. Hate woman. Woman means gynecist, misogynist. GAM means marriage. Misanthrope means mankind. One's other self means alter ego. Awkward clumsy means gross. Plural marriage as a custom, it is known as polygamy. Study of human development means anthropology. Plurality of husband as a custom, it means polyandry. Andry means male. Can you recognize the root ego? Ego means I. Alter means other. Verto means to turn. Mission means to hate. Anthropos means human race, or you can say love of human race. Gyne means woman. Gamos means marriage. Centrum means center. Dexter means skill. Droit means skillful. Monos means one. Andros means males. Now here are the words, and it is a combination of two different words, and you have to give the definition of that word. The first one is anthropocentric. Anthro means human race and centric means center. So you can say, considering human being, you can write considering. Anthro means human being as the most significant entity of the universe. Andromania. Andro means what? Andro means male, and mania means obsession. So an obsessions with man, and obsessions with man. Gyna andros. Gyna means woman and andros means male. So you can say it's a doubtful sex. So some features you can see like a woman and some features you can see like a male. So it is gynaeandros. Monomania. Mono means one and mania means obsessions. So a condition in which someone is extremely interested in one thing. So somebody is extremely obsessed by one thing. Misandrist. Misa means hate, andrist means male. So one who hates male. So these are the things that you need to understand. So this is the end of session 3. I'm putting a PDF in the description box. You download the PDF file and try to fill up the details, and then you can check it out, or you can first see the video and then you fill up the this PDF file. So here